Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a drop down in Excel sheet. So first you have to go to your start menu and then look for Excel. Here I have added USA states. So if you don't know how to create that, all you have to do is go to your Excel and then add something here. For example, I will be adding a list of USA states. And then here beside, I'm going to add a drop list for each states cities. So how are you going to do or add a drop down list? All you have to do here is go to data, tap on data, and then you have to look for data validation. Click this one. Now here on data validation, tap on any value and then look for list. Tap on list right here. And then you have to go to source, and this is where you're going to add your drop list, or let's just say your drop down list. So here what you're going to do is I'm going to add another Excel. Here I'm going to add cities of each states. Now once I have added the cities, I can go back to data validation, source. I'm going to go to sheet 2 and then drag this one right here to add, and then tap on OK. As you can see here beside the USA states, for cities, I can tap down at this drop down list and I can see the cities of each state. So you have to do it again and again for the rest of these states here. Again, go to data, data validation, go to source, add cities right here by just dragging it all, and then that's it. So this is the easiest way on how to add a drop down in Excel sheet. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.